Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Disney Uke Challenge. Today we're playing one of my all-time favorites, Beauty and the Beast. Alright, let's jump in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. If you have, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a lesson within this challenge or the next challenge. Alright guys, leave your comments below as to the next Disney song that you think I should play next. Don't forget, grab your tab sheets at FINGERSTYLE my personal website, where you can get these tab sheets for as little as 99 cents. Alright, thanks for joining me, and we will see you next time.